Yep. Okay, so I have a puddle here of the matte varnish. Varnish comes in either high gloss, satin, or matte. What we want here is matte because it's not really matte, it's pretty satin. So we're going to take some of this just as it comes out of the tube. I'm going to put it on a toe, on a talon. And on the scoots here, the toenails themselves. And clean up the brush. Dry it off. And I'm going to put one more coat on. And we're going to let that dry, and that's pretty much it. So that should do it. Of course, if you have any questions, you can email me, or I'll put my phone number in there, and hopefully we can get this done so you're happy with the result. Hopefully this helps.
Hi, Cindy. It's Lynetta. I did the best I could with what he's doing. Got a lot of sleeve, but that's all I can say. Bye.